Look what I got today. A word generator. By Hewlett Packard Agilent Keysight. Isn't it beautiful? Oh yes, it got damaged. I got it on eBay. I think I paid 60 or 80 euros. But unfortunately it was packed up really bad, as you can see. And it might be that this damage already was present when the seller sold it on eBay, because it was pictured like this. Wait a minute. It was pictured like this. So this edge was visible and the other edge was not. Here's a more serious dent. Yeah, this plate was missing. Of course, this was missing too, but what I was missing the most are the contacts for the power socket. They are missing completely. It is so funny. So, let's have a look inside. I just unscrewed the edges. So the top cover should come off. Oh, one more screw. It's a potsy drive screw. Sweet. The power transformer. Power supply caps. Beautiful. TRW. Large fan. Papst, Germany. And some cards. I love cards. So, hey! The screws are missing! The screws are missing! Where are the screws? Bruce, where are the screws? Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Maybe I should contact the seller. Look at this. Look at this. Oh man. Large gold-plated surface. Tantalum caps. 100 microfarads. Beautiful silver cable. I guess it is RG179 or 178. (1983). 30th week. Woo! Gold-plated contacts. More caps. Oh, look. This one is almost 1 year younger. 84. I was 4 years old. Motorola. And of course, with an HP part number. 1983. This is the 83rd week of 1933. Of course. Oh, look at the cable tree. What? Made in Germany. Okay. This is not the first time I see a high quality HP unit manufactured in Germany. Whoa. Oh! Cables! Cables! Look! A lot of cables cut off. What the hell? Oh my goodness. Wow, but look at the parts. Oh my god. This is porn. Beautiful. Beautiful. 1982. Wow, look at this board. This is beautiful. It is amazing. Silver mica caps. This one has 560 picofarads. Wow. Beautiful. If I had the chance to build in such a high quality, and if the cost is no object, I would definitely build all my stuff in this quality. Look at this. It's beautiful. I can look at it the whole day. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, I decided to pull out all the cards, so you're not losing too much time looking at me when I pull them out one by one. So here are the cards, and they are beautiful. Look at the power supply. Look at this beautiful power supply. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely amazing. Look at this. Wow. Ferrites. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, 125. Oh, look. if you're operating it at 85 degrees Celsius, they can withstand 25 volts, and if you're running them at an ambient temperature of 125 degrees, they can withstand 15 volts. That's very interesting. Guess this is some American cap. Wow. Amazing. Huh. This one is rather old. Here's an op amp, I guess. Which one? Wow, and very high quality resistors. LM301. Beautiful. Wow. Look at this. Someone messed up the complete board. It's a total mess. Wow. Sangamo caps. Silver mica. They cost a fortune. Still nowadays they are very expensive. Wow. Gold-plated sockets. These, I guess, are coils to suppress any high frequency stuff, to keep it out. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. Look at these contacts. Wow. I have to take a deep breath. Oh, some more boards. This is some logic stuff, I guess. TTL, CMOS, who knows. 1983, 1984. So the whole unit, I guess, was built somewhere in 1984, 1985. Wow. Dale resistor network. This, I guess, is a resistor network 2. Ah, yes, 1946. Ha ha ha, just kidding. Wow. I see gold. Honestly, the plating of these contacts is very thin. There's not too much gold on these pins. But since it is very old, it may contain quite a lot of gold compared to modern computer cards. Wow, I see gold everywhere. And it is complete messed up. Completely. Look at this. Cycle command. $50 ohms. So the cabling here should be RG178, I guess. Wow. This is absolutely amazing. Amazing. Awesome. England! So let's have a short look at the last boards. Oh, I guess some more logic stuff. Nice. And the last one. So that's it for the moment. Now, this is the bottom of the unit. Ground. This is part of the power supply. So if you were wondering where all the capacitors are, they are here. Even the rectifiers. Warning. And the front plate. Beautiful. Beautiful. So the whole thing comes off, and look, that's how to service it. All cables are long enough. That's how you service it. That's engineering. Good engineering. I like this. Wow. Beautiful. And the body frame is beautiful too. I really like it. Wow. So, I guess that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye. These are very old connectors. Very old. 1984. And as far as I can see, they are completely gold plated by an electrolytic process, of course. TRW is an electronic components producer specialized in military stuff like military processors. So what I do is I'm destroying the connectors in order to get access to the pins, and then I will cut them off without the lead. Of course, this is just for fun. Really, it doesn't pay. I'm pretty sure it doesn't pay. It's just a hobby. Makes fun, kinda. But you won't get rich. I doubt you even get the money for the time you're spending with these contacts. But anyways, it's fun, and I will show the result in a second. I have removed all contacts. It took me almost half an hour, and it was really a pain in the ass. So here's the result. A lot of gold-plated contacts. Yeah, it was funny. I wouldn't do this with modern contacts. but these are from 1984, so they are about 30 years old, and I hope or I believe that these are having a much higher content of gold compared to regular modern contacts. Also, this was a cost no object scientific device. You won't find these connectors in usual stuff. Also, I believe these contacts are made for a higher amount of mating cycles. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. See you next time. Bye bye. Woohoo!